class, we're going to review time to the half hour this week before we move on to our second grade standard. So how do I tell time to the half hour? All right, and your standard says that you're able to tell time to the hour and half hour. That means you can read a clock that shows time to the hour, half hour, and you can make that time yourself on a clock. All right, so let's review. All right, so what time is shown on this analog clock? Okay, look at the minute hand. All right, the minute hand tells us it's half past, so how many minutes? All right, we know it's 30 minutes. Now, let's look at the hour hand. The hour hand is between the 8 and the 9. So is it 8:30 or 9:30? All right, we have to back up. We can circle it. It is 8:30. 8:30. All right, what time is it? What time is it? All right, let's look at your minute hand. It's on the 6. It's half past the hour, so our minutes, it is 30 minutes. We're halfway past. And now look at your hour hand. It is between the 1 and the 2. So is it 1:30 or 2:30? Now we have to back up because it has only passed one of those numbers. It's halfway past the 1. 1:30. Okay, you notice all my clocks look different, but I still read the time exactly the same. Let's look at my next clock. All right, it looks a little different. I still have a short hand, a long hand, and a clock face. But still tell the time the same. So what time does my clock show? All right, look at your minute hand. All right, it is on the 6. That means half past, so my minutes are 30. So I can still put my 30 minutes. All right, what about my hour? My hour hand is between the 3 and the 4. Is it 3:30 or 4:30? All right, it's halfway past the 3. You have to back up. So it is 3:30. 3:30. Halfway past is 3:30. Now what time? It's got a different clock again. All right, my minute hand is still on the 6. It is halfway past, so my minutes are still 30. All right, now my hour hand is between the 9 and the 10. So is it 9:30 or 10:30? All right, it's halfway past which one? Gotta back it up. Halfway past the 9. 9:30. Remember, you always back it up. Just to the smaller number. 9:30. 9:30. Now look at this clock. It's missing what? It's missing the numbers. Guess what? I can fill those numbers in. What number goes at the top? 12. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now my minute hand is on the 6. So, how many minutes? Half past, or 30 minutes. And now look at my hour hand. Where's my hour hand? It's between the 4 and the 5. Between the 4 and the 5. So it's halfway past what number? 4. You got to back it up. That's my 4. 4:30. Guys, if you ever get a clock with no numbers, you need to put them in so you know which one. You're not guessing. 4:30. All right, now let's practice making some times. You get your clock. All right, show me 5:30. 5:30. All right, 5:30. Minute hand is on the 6. That's your long hand. Short hand or hour hand is halfway past the 5. It's between the 5 and the 6. That is 5:30. 5:30. All right, show 8:30. 8:30. 8:30. Let's check your work. 8:30. Minute hand is on the 6. Hour hand or short hand is between your 8 and your 9. Halfway past that 8. Half past 8 is 8:30. All right, let's do one more. Show 2:30. 2:30. 2:30. At 2:30. Here's what you should have. Minute hand is on the 6. Hour hand is between the 2 and the 3. 2:30. All right, you're going to have some practice today with time to the half hour. Don't forget, half past means minute hand is on the 6 and your hour hand is between the two numbers. Half past. Half past. All right, keep practicing time.